Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 in the active specification. This car's only done 10,500 miles, comes with a touchscreen that features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. You also get air conditioning, a speed limiter, and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1 litre petrol engine that gives you 68 horsepower, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.